everyone, it's Maya again, and today I'll be making Portuguese tarts, also known as pastel de nata. I have chosen to bake these because I went on a cruise holiday to Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, and I had these there and they were really yummy. I was looking forward to going to Lisbon again, but then our cruise was cancelled, so I thought I'd bring a little sunshine to your kitchen during lockdown. You need 1 sheet of puff pastry, 400 ml of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 115 grams of golden caster sugar, 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, and 2 tablespoons of cornflour. First, pour the sugar, all the eggs, and the cornflour into a pan and whisk. Add the milk a little bit at a time and stir the mixture until smooth. Have stirred the milk in and it is smooth, the mixture should look like this. Next, put the pan over a medium heat and stir constantly until it thickens and bring to the boil. Once the mixture has thickened, take it off the heat and add in the vanilla extract. Next, pop the custard into a glass bowl and then cover it in cling film to stop it from getting a skin. When I was preparing earlier, I cut the pastry sheets in half and put them on top of each other. Now I'm going to roll the pastry into a tight log. Cut your pastry into 12 even sized circles. I'm going to lightly flour the surface and roll the cut pieces of the log into a disc. have rolled your pastry into a disc, pop the pastry into the tins. Spoon the cooled custard into the pastry cases. Once the pastry cases have filled, bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching and look back for more makes, bakes and creates. Bye!